Let's go! Let's go, Inoue! I'm ready. USA, Japan, Monaco, anyway, anytime, doesn't matter. Let's go, Inoue! Where is my belt? He's my belt. Come. I'm ready. Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Winsworld TV. So Murodjon Akhmadaliev, kakasa na kaya sa hamon ni former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas, angas ng Pinas Jonriel Casimero. Tungkol naman sa laban Jonriel Casimero vs Murodjon Akhmadaliev ay wala pang official announcement kung papalag ito or hindi sa tinaguriang angas ng Pinas Jonriel Casimero. Ngunit ganun pa man kahit kino-call out na ni Jonriel Casimero itong si Murodjon Akhmadaliev ay tila nakafocus pa rin ito kay Naoya Inoue aka the Japanese Monster at kino-call out pa niya si current undisputed and 4 World Division Champion Naoya Inoue aka the Japanese Monster.
Inoue, почему ты не хочешь со мной драться? Я всегда готов. Здесь правила есть в боксе. Драться я всегда готов. I'm ready. Let's go, Inoue.
Okay, Max, over to you.
Yeah, the only thing I didn't say about no.
Ayon kay Murodjon Akhmadaliev, kung ayaw daw siya labanan ni current undisputed and 4 World Division Champion Naoya Inoue, ay kailangan daw niya ito ipaliwanag, dahil siya daw ay sumusunod sa rules at sundin din dapat ni Naoya Inoue ang rules, bilang mandatory challenger niya ay dapat labanan siya ni Naoya Inoue.
You know, if he don't wanna fight to me, he just need to explain, because when I was a champion, I followed the rules. And he should follow the rules as well. You know, I have mandatories. I was fighting with them without any discussion. So I need explanation because I'm here and ready for the fight.
Dagdag pa ni Murodjon Akhmadaliev ay mananalo ang pinakamagaling, siya daw ang mandatory challenger ni Naoya Inoue kaya dapat niya itong labanan. Patunayan ni Naoya Inoue kung talagang siya ang pinakamagaling sa bantamweight division. Dagdag pa ni Akhmadaliev ay handang-handa na siya kahit saang bansa gusto ni Naoya Inoue na maglaban sila at anytime anywhere ika ni Akhmadaliev.
The best should be fighting the best. So I'm a mandatory, I'm an interim champion. You know, he just should prove that he's the best in his division and he's a legend. He should prove it as well.
Kaya kailangan sundin at erase pito ni Naoya Inoue ang rules kaya pagkatapos ng laban ni Naoya Inoue kay Sam Goodman ayon sa rules ng boxing bilang mandatory challenger ni Naoya Inoue si Akhmadaliev ay kailangan niya ito labanan, dahil kung hindi ay matatanggalan siya ng titulo kaya tiyak na maglalaban na itong si Murodjon Akhmadaliev kontra Naoya Inoue, pagkatapos matalo ni Naoya Inoue si Sam Goodman.
I mean, all the organizations always follow the rules. They make the rules. The athletes follow the rules. I mean, how do you explain it? MJ just said it. At least explain yourself. Stop acting like the mandatory is not there. At least explain and say it, and say, I'm going to relieve the title, I'm going to move up in weight. He has that option. He can move up in weight instead of fighting all these older guys. He has to say something. His promoters, his team have to say something to at least respect this champion now. Thank you so much.
Eyes firmly on Inoue next. MJ, congratulations.
It's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
The knee is down. Still plenty of time in this round. He goes down. 1, 2. He has been absolutely fantastic. This is the guy we saw.
Single bomb.
Oh, there was the uppercut. Like, this kid is beaten down. Stop the fight.
ですけれども、トレーナーほど右左さあライトがこの場合を突き刺さって左のボディーだ倒れた右から左のボディー日本の至宝その可能性を示唆しました
可能性も高いし、また世界タイトルマッチでの連続か
まあこのボクシングどこの国でやったってそれはみんな見たい。
Dagdag pa sa ating mga balita, so ayon sa mga boxing fans ay hindi kakayanin ni Murodjon Akhmadaliev itong si current undisputed and 4 World Division Champion Naoya Inoue. Dahil sa taglay nitong katangian na talagang kapag ikaw ay nataman ay tiyak may paglalagyan ka. Isa na dyan ang mapaminsalang body shot nito, na napaka-epektibo at napakalakas dahil kabisado na niya ang bawat galaw para makatama sa kanyang target. At hindi lang yan dahil gumugugol talaga ito si Naoya Inoue ng oras para mag-focus sa pagpapalakas ng kanyang pangunahing teknik, kaya ganyan kalakas ang body shot ni Naoya Inoue na kapag makatama ay tiyak mapapaluhod ang kanyang kalaban sa iniwan nitong sakit, dahil sa impact ng kanyang lakas. Sunod dyan ay ang uppercut combination, kasunod ng body shot ay madalas nating nakikita na kanyang ginagamit sa kanyang mga kalaban na naging sanhi ng pagkatumba nito. Meron ding taglay na bilis at lakas ng kaliwat kanang kamao itong si Naoya Inoue, na maski si Nonito Donaire ay umami na hindi niya alam kung saan nanggagaling ang mga suntok ni Naoya Inoue, dahil sa taglay nitong bilis. Meron din siyang teknik na single job na tila mahina lang kapag ito ay tumama, ngunit sa oras na matamaan ka nito ay talagang napakalakas ang impact. Mahalaga ang single job ni Naoya Inoue sa kanyang depensa, dahil dito ay napapanatili niya ang distansya para hindi makapasok agad ang mga suntok ng kanyang kalaban. Hindi lang yan, dahil ginagamit din niya ang kanyang job punch para ma-set up niya ang kanyang power combo uppercut and body shot. May kakayanan din si Naoya Inoue, na sumugod ng sumugod sa kalaban at handa sa anumang counter-attack para sa kanya, kaya lahat ng naging kalaban ni Naoya Inoue ay hindi nakaligtas sa kanyang mapanlinlang na estilo. Solid din kung dumipensa itong si Naoya Inoue na kapag naglaban sila ni Akhmadaliev ay tiyak na mahihirapan sa kanya ang naghahamon na si Murodjon Akhmadaliev. Ano sa tingin nyo guys, kakayanin kaya ni Murodjon Akhmadaliev itong si Naoya Inoue? Just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Winsworld TV, saying peace, love and good vibes lang tayo lagi. Okay, alright.